Let's order some larger numbers now using a place value table. With smaller numbers, you might be able to look at them to see which is smaller or larger, but these ones have got 5 digits each, so we're going to need something else to help us. So I'm going to put them in a place value table, and I'm going to step through the first number and then just fill the other two in. We've actually got 87,269. So we've got 87,000. So that's 8 tens of thousands, 7 thousands, 260, which is 6 tens, and 9 ones or units. Now the other two numbers we put in a similar way. And you can pause the video if you want to have a think of how you would put those numbers in yourself. Now to list them from smallest to largest, what we're going to do is we're going to start with one of the digits. And the one we're going to start with is the place with the largest value. Not the numbers, but the column where it's worth the most. Now, even if you're sorting your list from smallest to largest, we still always start when we're comparing with the column with the largest value. And in our example, it's not the ones, it's always the column furthest to the left. So it's tens of thousands for us, because tens of thousands are worth more than all of the other places in this number. So we've got an 8, a 4, and an 8. And remember, we're looking for the smallest number, which is 4. So because that's the very first column or place, that means that whole number is smaller because it's only got a 4 in the tens of thousands. So that number goes first on our list, 48,517. And I'm going to pop a comma there because I'm making a list, just like we would do if we were listing words. Now, it's just used to separate your numbers, and also if you didn't leave a big enough space, it would help someone know that there's actually a space there and it's a separate number. Now we've only got 2 numbers left, so what we're going to do is the same thing, but they both had an 8 in the tens of thousands, so we travel to the next place. Thousands are the next highest value, and they've both got a 7, so we keep moving to the right, and you can see we've got a 2 and an 8. So 2 is smaller than 8, so that number is now our next smallest number, 87,269. Of course, that means 87,869 is the biggest number. So we've now listed them from smallest to largest. There they are. And you can see we've got our commas, but we don't have a full stop like we might do if we were writing a sentence. So smallest to largest.